Now we start chapter 12 electricity. Most IMP question. Derive the parallel connection formula for the resistor or derive the formula 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Now we start the answer solution. First of all, we define the parallel connection. What is the known as the parallel connection? देखो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डायग्राम में देखो कि यहाँ से x पॉइंट है, वन पाथ है, सेकंड पाथ है, थर्ड पाथ है, वापस तीन पाथ इकट्ठे हो गए वन पॉइंट पे आ गए, y पॉइंट पे इकट्ठे हो गए. तो व्हेन मोर देन वन रेजिस्टेंस आर कनेक्टेड अक्रॉस द टू पॉइंट, here three resistors are joined across the 2 point X and Y in a circuit such that more than one path are available for the flow. In this resistance means voltage are same but current I are divided in more than one path. As per figure, current I divide in I1, I2, I3. Voltage remains same. V remain same. Here voltage cannot be dropped. Now according to Ohm's law, Ohm's law, क्या है? I इक्वल टू V अपॉन R. यह सीरीज पैरेलल है इसलिए हमने P लिख दिया. I1 इक्वल टू V अपॉन R1. I2 इक्वल टू V अपॉन R2. I3 equal to V upon R3. Now we know that the current divided in three parts because three parts are here, I1, I2 plus I3. Voltage remains same. I equal to V upon RP, P मतलब parallel. V upon for first resistance R1, V upon for second resistance R2 plus V upon third resistance R3. V upon RP equal to V is common, 1 upon R1, 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. We cancel. 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This formula is known as parallel connection formula. Here we see that the voltage cannot drop but current divided in three parts. Therefore I current pass होता है from what V battery I1 plus I2 plus I3, but according to Ohm's law, I equal to V upon Rp. P is used for the parallel series. S is for the series connection. V upon R1, V upon R2, V upon R3. V is common. 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Here we cancel. 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This formula is known as the parallel connection formula. This is most important. Thank you.